Hello students, welcome to my maths class. I'm Anoop Massey, your maths educator on this platform. Now, before we start on to the today's class, I would like to share with you all the mega offer for UP Board students. Well, this mega offer is giving you a discount of 10% plus 5% if you take the subscription for 9 months, this one, or it is also giving you the discount of 10 plus 10 if you take the offer for 12 plus months, that is 10% plus 10. So altogether what you can do, you can save up to rupees 25,000. Now we have the special offer here. If you buy the subscription for 12, 15 and 18 months, you get 4 months free subscription, or if you buy it for 24, 36 and 48 months, you get subscription free for 6 months. So this is the offer which is being given by Unacademy, and this offer is valid for the all the state boards. Okay. Okay, after this offer, I would like to share with you what's new with Unacademy. So let's see what's new with Unacademy. You can ask a doubt. You can ask unlimited doubts. You can ask doubt at any time. You get a high quality video solutions in both English and Hindi. You can obtain instant and accurate solutions to many of the questions. And you can even get assistance with your homework. Now, how to ask a doubt? Now, here are the few steps given to you. So, following these steps, you can ask the doubt. Right? You will just simply have to follow these steps, and as indicated in each step, you follow the direction and you will get your doubts clear. Other than that, what Unacademy is providing you is you can learn live from the comfort of your home. You have unlimited access to all the courses, top educators of India on one platform, regular doubt clearing and answer writing sessions, exhaustive coverage of syllabus, mentorship and guidance, study material in PDF format, practice tests are there, live test series are there, batch courses are there. So other than this, daily practice session is there, weekly mock test series is there, live quizzes, daily MCQ and subjective test series are also available. You can use my referral code AMUP10 and you can get the 10% discount or the maximum discount which is being offered. So in today's class, what we are going to discuss is the mensuration of solids. Okay, so let's start with the first question. The first question says a vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere surmounted by a hollow cylinder. So they have given us a vessel in form of a hollow hemisphere surmounted by a hollow cylinder. So this is a hemisphere like this, and this is surmounted by a cylinder like this, right? So this is the figure that we can draw, a cylinder and a hollow hemisphere like this. Now as you can see that these two figures are the surmounted figures, then remember that the radius will be same. So in such figures where the figures are the surmounted one, remember that the radius is same. So what we can say is here radius of cylinder R is equal to the diameter. So here I can write, first of all I will mention about the cylinder. The diameter is given 14 centimeter. So we can say the radius will be 7 centimeter. The total height of the vessel is given. So the total height of the vessel is given. So this is the total height. So this is the total height of the vessel given. Now if you consider the total height, so the total height of the vessel, it consists of height of the cylindrical portion. See here, I will write here the total height of vessel means height of cylinder plus radius of the vessel, this hemispherical portion. So the total height is 13. Height of the cylinder, let it be h. And if we talk about the radius, then remember, you can see that the radius is same. The radius will be same for both. So radius is 7. So from here you can get the height of cylindrical portion as 7. That is 6 centimeter. Okay, so for cylinder we have got radius as well as height, both we have got. Hope this is clear to you. Now moving on to hemisphere. Hemisphere has only one dimension and that is the radius. So we can say radius is equal to 7 centimeter. That is the radius. This is clear. Now the question says find the inner surface area of the vessel. Okay, so the inner surface area of vessel, it will consist of two parts, that is curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder. So we have curved surface area of hemisphere. So the curved surface of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus for cylinder it is 2 pi RH. So as we are adding these two, so let's take 2 pi r common. So we are left with H plus R. So this is the inner surface area of vessel. Right? So let's see. So the inner surface area we are getting 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. Okay, so over here radius is 7 and then we have r plus h. R plus h, that is 6. This will reduce 2 into 22 into 13. So 572 centimeters square. So this will be the inner surface area. You see, this is clear to you. Okay, now let's see the next question, question number 2. In question number 2, they are saying a medicine capsule which is in shape of a cylinder with 2 hemispheres are stuck to each. So see, a medicine capsule is like this. It is cylindrical portion in between. We have cylindrical portion in between. And then 2 hemispheres here. 2 hemispheres. So these are the 2 hemispheres. Now in this figure, as these are the figures which you can say they are surmounted, cylinders surmounted to a hemisphere or hemisphere surmounted with the cylinder. So remember here radius will be same. Here radius will be same. So the length of the capsule is given and the diameter of the capsule. Now see, diameter of the capsule is given 5 millimeter. So if I take half of it, I will get the radius 2.5 millimeter. Okay, now if I see the total length of the capsule, now see, how can I break this total length? From here to here, we take another ring. Now this is the radius, right? This is the height of the cylindrical portion, and then again we have the radius. So the total length, which is 14 millimeter, it is composed of a radius, then plus height of the cylinder, and then plus again the radius. It is equal to 14. So we have 2r plus h is equal to 14. So it's coming 9. So height of the cylindrical portion is 9. See this much clear? Now according to the question, what they say, we have to find the surface area of this capsule. Now to find the surface area of this capsule, we have curved surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. Okay, plus then we have the curved surface area of cylinder, plus again the curved surface area. So we are getting 4 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. So taking 2 pi r common, okay, now let's substitute the values. 2 into radius is 2.5, or you can write 5 upon 2. Plus height is 9. So this will give us, this will cancel out. So this will give us 10 upon 7. And within the bracket I will get 5 plus 9, 14. So this is 5 into 22, 107 will reduce it 2 times. So 220 millimeter square. So see, this will be the surface area. Here you can see this capsule is composed of 3 parts. This one is the curved surface area of, here you can see. Now this is the curved surface area. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. A tent is in shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top, right? So the question says, a tent is in shape of a cylinder surmounted. So see, the shape of the tent is somewhat like this. It's cylindrical, and above it, it is conical. It's cylindrical, and above it, it is conical. The height and the diameter of the cylindrical portion. Now this is the cylindrical portion. So they are giving for cylinder what is known to us. For cylinder. They are saying for the cylinder, height is given. So height of the cylinder is given. Let it be capital H. 2.1. And the radius, the diameter is given 4. So as the diameter is given, so I can get the radius. So radius will be 2 centimeter. And the slant height of the top. Now coming for the conical portion. For conical portion, the radius remains the same. So these figures you can see they are the surmounted, so radius will be same. And the slant height, that is L, is given as 2.8. Now they are saying find the area of the canvas used. So just see the information, read it once again. Okay, so here we need to find area of canvas. So canvas will be used on curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. Cone is pi RL and for cylinder it is 2 pi RH. So we can take pi r common. The slant height is 2.8 plus 2 into h. H is 2.1. This is 2.8 plus 4.2. So this will give you so area is equal to 44 meters square. So here we have calculated the area of the canvas that will be required. Just see and go through the calculation. So after calculating this area, now the question says you have to calculate, you also have to find the cost. So let's see how we are going to find the cost. So cost is equal to rate into area. So rate is 500, area is 44. So this will be the cost. See. Now in question number 4 they say a hemisphere surmounted by a conical block of wood. A hemisphere surmounted by a conical block of wood. So hemisphere is surmounted by a conical block of wood. So the figure would be somewhat like this. A hemisphere, and it will be surmounted by a conical block of wood. The diameter of their base is 6, so diameter for both is 6. If diameter is 6, so you can say radius for both will be 3. And the slant height of the cone is 5 centimeter. Now we have to find the height of the cone. See, we have this relation L square is equal to H square plus R square. So L is 5, H square plus R square. So height is 4 centimeter. So in the first part they have asked us to find the height of the cone. So this is the height of cone. Now what the second part says, volume of the solid. Now if you have to find the volume of the solid, that means you will be adding volume of these two. Volume of the solid. So volume of hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of conical portion it is 1 by 3 pi r square into h. So all over you can see we can take 1 upon 3 pi r square common. So we are left with 2r plus h. Take this much. So this will give us 1 upon 3 into pi. So in place of pi we can put 3.14 into r square. So the radius is 3, so it is 9. Then within the bracket 2 into 3, 6 plus h plus 4, 10. So volume is equal to 1 upon 3 into multiply 10 with 3.14, so it's 31.4, and divide 9 by 3, so it is 3. So it's 94.2. Just check it out this. Now see in question number 5. Question number 5 says metallic spheres of radii 6, 8 and 10 are melted to form a single sphere. So you can say volume of the first sphere plus volume of the second sphere plus volume of the third sphere plus, so volume of three spheres is equal to volume of a single solid sphere. So this is the condition given. So that means if we add volume of these three spheres, so let's write the formula 4 by 3 pi r1 cube, right? This is the volume of first sphere. Then 4 by 3 pi r2 cube, 4 by 3 pi r3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. See. Now what I can do on the left side, I will take 4 upon 3 pi common. So here 4 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 will cancel out. So on the left side we are having cube of the radii given. So it is 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. And we have to find the radius of. Okay, so we have cube of 6, so that will give us so it's 1728. So radius of the new sphere will be 12. Just see, the three spheres were melted, so we have added the volume of these three spheres, that will be equal to volume of the new sphere. Then we have applied the formula for the volume, and then on the left side, taking 4 by 3 pi common, we have reduced it with 4 by 3 pi on the right side. Okay, now let's see question number 6. They say two solid spheres of radii 2 and 4 are melted and recast into a cone. So two spheres. So we can say volume of first sphere plus volume of second sphere is equal to volume of cone. Okay, so let's write the formula. On the left side I am going to write formula for the volume of spheres. 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So I can take 4 by 3 pi common, right? So it's 4 r1 cube, so r1 is 2 plus r2, that is 4. Here this is the radius of the cone that we have to find. Height of the cone is 8. So this will give you 4 into, now this will give you 8 plus 64, right? So will give you 2 cube means 8, 4 cube means 64. So 4 into 64 plus 8, 72. Eight nine is 72. So the radius of cone will be 6. Now the question says a spherical shell of iron whose external radius is 9. Okay, spherical shell of iron. External radius is 9 is melted and recast into a conical solid 28 centimeter in diameter and 4 whole number 3 by 7 centimeter in height. Find the inner diameter of the shell. Now let us write the information regarding the shell. So for shell, external radius is given and they have asked us to find the inner radius, right? Now for the conical solid, diameter is 28, so radius will be 4. So 7 4s are 28 and 3 31/7. Now they say this shell was melted and recast into the conical solid. So we can say volume of material So let's equate their volume. So for shell we have 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube, and for cone we have 1/3 pi r square h. This is volume for cone. Well, here you can see pi by 3 can be reduced, so we have reduced it. Okay, now we are left with 4. Capital R is 9, it's 14 square, and height you have to find. Sorry, height is also given 31 upon. So here we are left with 9 cube minus r cube is equal to, this 7 will reduce it 2 times, so 14 into 2 into 31 upon e. This is 4. So we have 9 cube we have 729 minus r cube is equal to So R will be cube root of this. So what will be the cube root of so R will be equal to 8 centimeter. So we have got the radius of the inner radius, but the question says find the inner diameter. So we need to find inner diameter. That will be 16. So we have a solid cone of radius 5 and height 8. Now see, in question number 8 they are saying a solid cone of radius 5 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. So for a solid cone, let us consider for cone what is known to us. So for a cone you can say radius is 5, height is 8, and it is recast into small spheres. So let us see the spheres. And the radius of these spheres are 0.5 centimeter. Now they are saying find the number of spheres so formed. Okay, so what we have to do, a solid cone is melted and recast into a small spheres. So we can consider a solid sphere like this. If I explain you with the help of a diagram, a solid sphere is melted and recast into small, this is a cone, a solid cone, so this is a cone. It is melted and recast into solid small spheres. So let the number of spheres formed be n, so into n. You can write it like this. So see, this is a cone. It will be melted and recasted into spheres, and there will be n spheres. So we can say volume of this cone, that is, this is the volume of cone formula, is equal to volume of a sphere 4/3 pi r cube and then multiplied by n. then it will be multiplied by n. Because here we are considering this n spheres are formed. Now on both sides what we can do is pi by 3 will be reduced. Then on the left side for the cone radius is 5, height is 8. This is 4 into 0.5. This is 5 into 5 into 8. Now this 0.5 can be written as 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, and we have to find n. So this will cancel out, cross multiply. This is 25 into 8, that is 200, cross multiplied by 2. So finally we are getting n as 400. So you can say 400 spheres will be formed. Okay, now see question number 9. Question number 9 says a spherical bowl of internal radius 9 cm is full of liquid. So we have a spherical bowl like this. This bowl is full of some liquid. Now they say the liquid is filled into cylindrical shaped bottles. Now this liquid is transferred into cylindrical shaped bottles. That means more than one bottle is required. So let the bottle number be n. So into n. So this is the condition that we are going to use. You see, a spherical bowl which is full of water. Now this liquid is to be transferred into cylindrical containers. So let the number of containers be n. So into n. Each of radius 1.5. So we have been given the radius of the cylindrical containers 1.5 and height 4 centimeter. And this side the radius is 9 centimeter. Okay, now we are going to equate the volume like this. So on the left side we have volume of hemispherical containers. So you can write like this, 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now on the right side it's a cylinder, so it's pi r square h into n. So it's pi will cancel out. Now nothing else can be cancelled out, so only pi has been cancelled out. Now let's substitute the values. So it's 2 by 3, and on the left side we have the radius of hemisphere, so that is 9, and on the right side we have radius of cylindrical portion 1.5 into 1.5 into height, that is 4 into n. This is clear. Now this will be reduced. So this will become 9 to the 80, and this 9 3 to 27, or you write it just as it is. We will write it just as it is. Here 1.5 can be written as 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2 into 4. This 2 and 2 will reduce 4. This 3 3 is a 9, 9 will reduce 1 9 this side. So we have 9 to the 18, and 18 3 is a 54. So the number of cylindrical bottles that can be filled is 54 now. Let's see. See if you have any confusion in this one. Okay, now next we see question number 10. See, in question number 10 they are saying a solid sphere of radius 6 cm is melted into a hollow cylinder of uniform thickness. So here, we can, if we draw a rough sketch of this one, we can say it's a sphere like this. We can consider a sphere. It's a solid sphere, right? It is melted into a hollow cylinder. So it is melted into a hollow cylinder. Like this. The solid sphere is of radius 6. So the radius of the sphere is known to us as 6. Now this is a hollow cylinder. So hollow cylinder has internal radius as well as external radius. The external radius capital R for hollow cylinder is given as 4. The small r is unknown to us, and we have been given the height of this cylindrical portion is 72. Height of this cylindrical portion is 72. So here what we can do, again we are going to equate. See, whenever a solid is melted and transformed to another shape of solid, you have to equate the volume. So let's equate the volume. So volume of a sphere formula, so it's 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? So on the right side it is a hollow cylinder, so the formula will be pi r square minus r square into h. So first of all, you can see we can cancel out pi here. So let's cancel out pi. What else? Now nothing can be cancelled, so let's substitute the values. Left side we have radius of the sphere, that is 6. Now on the right side we have capital R square, that is 4 square minus R square. So we need to find it, into h. H is 72. So we can cross multiply 72 this side. First of all, you can reduce the 6 to 3. So you have 4 into 6 into 6 into 2. You will cross multiply 72 over here, and you will be getting 4 square minus r square. Well, the 72 will be reduced over here. So we will be getting 4 is equal to 4 square minus r square. So r is equal to 2 root 3. That is the radius. That is the inner radius. But the question says find the uniform thickness. The formula for thickness. Thickness is capital R minus small r. Capital R is 4 and small r is 2 root 3. So this will be the thickness. Now if you want to convert it into, you can convert it into decimal, otherwise leave your answer like this. Just see if you have any confusion in this. So students, today we did 10 important questions on mensurations. So hope it's clear to you how to solve such questions in which there will be melting of one solid and transforming it into another solid. There you are always going to equate the volume. Okay, students, you can watch my Unacademy live special classes. And you can ask questions using the question tab. Now, Unacademy live classes, you will be getting MCQ using the polls. Poll leaderboard will be there so that you can compete with your friends. Now, this is how you can join my special classes on Unacademy platform. See, first of all, you will download the Unacademy Learner app. That's the first step you are going to do, and that is you are going to download the Unacademy Learner app. Next, what you will do, you will open the app and click on Get Started. That is the second step you will do. Open the app and click on Get Started. Third, what you will do, you will enter your mobile number and OTP that you will receive. That will be the third step. Then you will sign up using your email ID. Clear? Next, what you will do, my special classes. It's the step number 5 now coming. You will select class 6 to 8. Then you will select your class. You will select your class. Then you will select your preferred language, whichever language you will be wanting. You will prefer that language, maybe English, Hindi, or English. The next step, you will go to the description of this video and click on the special class link. Then the ninth one, you will click on Notify Me and you will get notified 10 minutes before the class begins. And in the last step, you can use my code to unlock the special classes for free. So here, this is my code AMUP10. So you can use my code AMUP10 and you can unlock my special classes. Okay. One thing more that I would like to share with you all. Now these were the steps that I was telling you how to ask a doubt. Now see, the step number 1 says you click on Ask a Doubt. Step 2 says select, that is take a picture or choose from the gallery. Step 3 says you will click select a picture of your question. Then step 4 says crop to highlight one specific question. Step 5 says choose the subject that the question falls under. It may be maths, physics, chemistry, English, whatever. Then step 6, you will just wait patiently and you will receive the solutions. Now see what assistance you are getting from the Unacademy. You can learn live from the comfort of your home. Unlimited access to all the courses. See, all these are the advantages that you are getting. Top educators of India on one platform. Regular doubt clearing and answer writing sessions. Exhaustive coverage of syllabus. Mentorship and guidance. Study material in PDF format will be available. Practice tests will be there. Live test series will be there. Batch courses will be there. And You will be getting daily practice session, weekly mock test series, live quizzes, daily MCQ and subjective test series. All over you will be getting 10% off plus 10%. There is a special offer going just now by using my referral code AMUP10. So you can use my referral code to get this special offer. So students, before we end the today's class, just once again I would like to tell you all about the mega offer for the UP board. Here also you can use my code AMUP10 and you can get the discount, right? You can use my code UP10 . This is my code. You can use AMUP10 and you can get the discount. Now here the special discount that is being given, just remember it's 10 plus 5%. Presently we are giving 10 plus 5% for 9 months subscription, and for 12 and more we are giving 10 plus 10% discount. Now this offer valid for all the state boards. And we have the offer for the plus subscription also, that if you buy the plus subscription for 12, 15 and 18 months, you get 4 months free. Or if you buy it for 24, 36 and 48 months, you get 6 months subscription free. Again, a flat 10% plus special discount is also being offered. So students, you can avail all these offers on the Unacademy platform. So it's the right time for you all to grab this opportunity, because such a special discount has never been given on the Unacademy platform. It's a very special discount getting over here. So it's the right time for you all to grab this opportunity. So all those who are wanting to study the subjects in much structured and a simplified way, they can go for the plus subscription, buy it and avail the opportunity that we are providing at the present time. And don't forget